Alright, here we are with another video. If you guys haven't seen our Air Force Ones tutorial, definitely check that out, or what will help you get started with Air Force Ones. Check that video out. It'll be down below. This one's going to cover vans. You want to get started on customizing vans, you will need at least some of these things to get started, if not all of them. Definitely you want to begin with a sharp knife. A lot of times you want to tape off the areas and you need a precise cut. Definitely need a sharp knife. So next you will need markers. Everybody recommends these or Angela paint. Or if you want to go a cheaper route for Vans type of material, I would say go with the fabric paints from Walmart. Definitely a little bit more affordable, especially if you want to start out. Now here are the typical Vans that everybody get. You either get the ones like these or you get the ones like these. Alright, either one, great starting project. You see millions of people customizing those shoes. Or you can go to Walmart or Child's Place, or if you're doing it for your kids, go to Child's Place, and there's a lot of options out there for Van style shoes. This one is the one that I got for my son from the Child's Place. So we'll be doing a future video of customizing these, so definitely stay tuned. These were a little bit on the cheaper end, not crazy cheap, but still definitely better than paying $50 to $60 for the Vans, if not more. These were more like $30, $20. Of course, there are even cheaper options than that. There are, if you want to start out with type of shoes, definitely start out with the lower end. If you're not sure if you're gonna mess them up, it's definitely better to mess up a cheaper pair of shoes than a more expensive one. Then once you get the process down, then move on to the more expensive shoes. All right. And you're also going to need a mat. You're also going to need a mat. You're going to also need good lighting, because if you're going to customize something, you want to make sure you can see what you're customizing and stuff like that. Little fine details, alright? So hopefully this tutorial helped. I will go in depth and make a part 2 of actually customizing the shoes. So definitely stay tuned. Remember, give thumbs up, subscribe. We got giveaways coming soon. And appreciate all you guys' support. Alright? Appreciate it. Have a good one.